Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you two new special items that I picked up as a little birthday treat to myself. So my birthday is a few days away, and I just really believe in the motto of treating yourself, especially for your birthday. Like, I don't even care if it's a chocolate bar, like treat yourself to something that's gonna put a smile on your face. This year it's a little bit more than a chocolate bar. So I got a pair of shoes from Acne Studios. Look at this box. I just love the shade of pink. It's so cute, it's so pretty. This dust bag is unreal. This is like a very good quality tote bag. Like, I would put a strap on this and make it a tote. That's so good. Look at these. Look at these. Aren't these gorgeous? These are just beautiful. Obviously, you don't even want to see boots right now because, you know, we're in the heart of summer. Like, who am I to show you some boots? But these were 60% off on Acne. So I'm like, I need these. They're a low heel. I think they're like a 1.5 inch. And I love the heel. It kind of just like goes in a little bit, right? Like, it's not straight, it has a curve to it. With the skinny heel and the pointed toe, it just makes it look more elevated and more chic. Like, when you have a block heel, it just looks a little bit more daytime appropriate, but this you can wear day and night, and I love that. And then it has a sock fit up the calf, so that's great. I wanted something that during like the fall, winter, I would be able to wear with dresses and skirts and even with pants and jeans and things like that. Because it's the sock fit, the jeans would go over top just fine, and like looser fitting pants as well. So I love that, and I just wanted something that was going to be comfortable to walk in. So these just hit everything on the head. I love this overlay here of like the more like shiny leather. Looks great. And then this is like a lamb leather, something very buttery soft leather for the sock boot aspect of it. I love them, but the thing is they were a size 39. They only had a 39 available, and I'm a size 40, so I was a little bit nervous about getting the 39 because obviously I want it to be very comfortable. I want to be able to walk around in it. That's why I got such a low heel, because I'm like, I need to be able to walk. But they're too tight. They're too tight on my foot, and also up my calf. They struggle to zip up, and I felt like I had to stuff my skin in, like stuff in my little skin and my little calf fat. So I thought to myself, even for the discounted price, and even though these are just beautiful and I've been searching for these for so long, I'm going to pass because I want something that, you know, makes sense. If I kept these, I know I would always think twice before wearing them. Like, am I going to be walking a lot? Or, you know, am I going to be in them for a long period of time? Like, those are going to be things that would prevent me from wearing them. So I don't want to be in this situation. I want to be able to wear them. So I'm going to be sending them back, but super unfortunate. Like, super unfortunate. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. I love them. Even though the Acne Studio boots failed miserably, I wanted to still treat myself for my birthday. I'm like, no, that's not gonna get in the way of treating myself. So I picked up a pair of sandals from Toteme. Okay, so I picked up these lovely sandals. Again, a really low kitten heel sandal. I just love a kitten heel. I love the kitten heel. Am I the only one? I know some people think that they are ugly, but I just find them to be chic. I find them to be very chic and comfortable. So, you know. These have been on my wish list. They are just a lovely sandal, like a flip-flop sandal style, very simple. And I'm like, this is something I would be able to wear forever and not get tired of them. They just seem like such a staple, such a classic. But guess what? They're too big. Like, this is a joke. I just want something nice for myself. But they're too big. They're a size 40. And typically I am. But these ones are too big. I almost feel like I'm wearing my mother's shoes. You know, like I'm playing dress up in her closet. Your foot is supposed to end here. But then I just feel like there's too much of a gap. There's just too much of a gap from the end of my foot to the end of the shoe. So tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys think it looks absolutely silly or if you think I'm just, you know, messing about, because these have been on my wish list and then they were on sale too. So these were 30% off on Essence. So I'm like, come on, the Acne shoes didn't work out. Let me, you know, and then these don't work out either. So I feel like, so another fail. But don't you worry, I am determined to treat myself to something very special for my birthday. If it kills me, I just keep having packages coming in and I know my boyfriend is just looking at me crazy. He hasn't said anything. He hasn't even said anything, but I know he's just like, what is going on? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know again if you think I should keep or return. I'd love to know. That's all for me. Have an amazing week as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.